fat head looking at me.
Some fucking old fucking guy.
Here's your heater core.
Fucking dinner. Oh, how's it going?
Oh.
Behind all this shit, all you see is his face. So much shit there, man. Yeah.
Oh, anyway, that slides out. 2 clips, 2 O-rings here. This one in there. Yeah. And then 1 screw there. Underneath the dash. So you don't have to rip out the whole entire dash. On this, what is it called?
Buick verano.
Buick Verano. What year?
2012.
And your ear cord's under there with 1 screw and a couple clips. Oh no. I'm going viral with this one.